Hi, and welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Chuck Tuck. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to easily and quickly add a camera to the cloud management software. So if you're ready, let's get started. Before getting started with the cloud management software, first you'll need to make sure that you download the device utility app. This is going to allow the cloud management software to automatically search out and find your camera. So you can find that located here. Once you launch the AVer Cloud Management app, this is what you're going to see. All projects, all devices. You can add a project by clicking on Add Project. Add a project name, we'll just say New Test. And I'll just put AVer and we create. Now you can add a device to that project. Click on Add Device, Auto Search. Once it recognizes the camera, select that, click Done. It's going to populate it with the serial number. And right here you're going to put in the username and your password, the device name. So TR615. Device location, you can leave it blank if you want, or you can put in office or whatever you want to do. And device has been successfully added. Click OK, and there you have it. It is under New Test. So if I come back up here to All Projects, this one I have not added anything, and here's our current new test. Come in here, your details. User of this device. I can move it. I can edit the name. I can move it. I can copy. Device detail. Or delete. Schedule tasks such as reboot, power on, or power off. You can also select the time, the days of the week, and group the cameras by project, individually, or all cameras. You can also set up notifications for a camera being offline, whether a new firmware is available, or the camera has been deleted. You can also set up your notifications by all devices, by project, or by individual device. Under the Settings tab, you can make some user changes. You can also use your own turn server once you have that set up with another provider. You will be entering your credentials here. You can also find your audit logs listed here. By clicking on the Help tab, you'll find information such as the user manual, About, and the privacy policy. I hope this video has been helpful. Please come back frequently, and remember, Please like and follow and leave comments. Thanks, and we'll see you again.